Hi, I'm Dr. Shruti Tannan of Tannan Plastic Surgery. Now ladies, sometimes after pregnancy, we are left with what's called a C-section shelf. This overhanging, sagging skin and pooch is not something you can just work off with a few extra crunches or hours in the gym. It can make it hard to fit into your pre-pregnancy wardrobe. You may even find yourself dependent on body shapers like Spanx to feel good in your favorite dresses. This can affect your body confidence and ultimately your overall confidence. You are not alone. Please don't give up. Just because you have crossed the threshold as a mother, you do not have to live in a body you no longer recognize as your own. As a mother of two and as a female plastic surgeon, I see this transformation in my office every day. My all-female team and I work together to safely remove your pooch and your C-section scar. We also tighten the loose, separated rectus muscles in what's called a diastasis recti repair. This has been shown to improve incontinence and lower back pain. Check out my blog posts on the many benefits of a tummy tuck. It is so much more than skin deep. Are you ready to find out more? Let's chat in person at my office at Tannan Plastic Surgery.